guys, I just wanted to bring this cute idea that I got. These are some caddies that we're delivering to teachers in the community for back to school. One of the not-for-profit agencies in my community, they wanted me to do this crafting idea. I had the bins. They were hot pink and they were red. So I just spray painted them really quick. I gave them like 2 coats, and they turned out really well. And you see, there are the athletic theme for the male teachers, and then the other ones are for the with the flowers, or for whomever principal or whoever she wants to deliver them to. I did a total of 10 of them. They really came out really well. And I also managed to get some coasters, and I did it with the same theme. So I decoupage the bin and also the napkin with the coaster. So we just wanted to bring that really to you real quick, just to give you an idea of back to school is right around the corner. And I also embellished them with the diamond jewels that I did get from the Dollar Tree. All of these napkins are basically from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure on where she got the bins from, but at any rate, they're for our wonderful teachers to start off this school year for their pens, pencils, stapler remover, erasers, all of their essentials to go into the bin. And she's also going to incorporate a gift card for each one of the teachers. So there you have it. But that is the handiwork of Simple Easy Crafts. Check it out. I'll bring another one to you soon. Let me know if you want to do a video. Alrighty, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know which one is your favorite, and we'll talk then. Have a great day. Bye.